Hello YouTubers, millionaires, future millionaires. My name's Ali. On this channel we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, click that subscribe button and continue on watching. About 2 minutes ago I made a same video and it had no audio at all. I had my microphone turned down and I am so angry. That's not important. The most important thing, I want you guys to look in my eyes and I want you to look at the screen here and I want you to see these thousands of dollars that's made over here. See that? You see the payment that's coming? You see this payment that's coming? All the stuff was possible because of this beautiful training, which is OFA, One Funnel Away Challenge. The link's going to be below if you guys want to try it out. It's only $100. The total value for this training is $3,126. Now it's discounted for only $100. I took this challenge twice. I actually took this training not once, guys, but I took it twice because I wanted to get good at it. And bullshit or not, I made tons and tons of money. Look at my eyes. I'm not bullshitting you. Look, guys, the money that you see right here, these thousands of dollars, this is just one affiliate program that I do. I do several of them, but this one here has taught me the most and allowed me to generate so much money in such a short period of time. If you take this training, which is only 30 days, you will have, read this down here, it says, the life you want, the marriage you want, the family that you want is going to be fueled by the business that you built. So what I want you guys to do is click the link below and get started with this, and it'll walk you through step by step. It's designed for newbies, for expert, it doesn't matter. If you're sick and tired of your job, you're sick and tired of your 9 to 5, you don't want to go to work anymore, you don't want to drive to work, you don't want to drive back from work, do this 5 days a week, and you're just ready to make a change. And I'm going to tell you guys, I wrote down here a couple of things. It's going to teach you how to build landing pages, how to drive traffic to the landing page, create a social media blog, create a social media page, learn how to use affiliate networks like ClickBanks, also it teaches you how to use YouTube, which is also a social media platform, to generate traffic to your affiliate offers, which means it's gonna generate more money in your account. If all that sounds good to you, click the link below and get started right now. And if you are new to my channel, please guys, subscribe, so show some support, show some love, comment if you have any questions, let me know where you're watching from. I'm here in the States. Let me know if you're in Asia, you're in Africa, Europe, Australia, New Zealand. It doesn't matter what part of the world you're in. This will work for you. Click the link below and get started. Let me walk you guys through some of the highlights on what this training going to give you. By the way, it's going to start in 4 days, which is April 4th. So you got limited time over here. You can just go below, click the link, and get started and start your OFA training right away. Again, it's only $100, guys. This thing is over $3,000, but right now it's discounted for only $100. Cut out your pizza, cut out your, no more Pizza Hut, no more Domino's, no more Starbucks. Can you guys just stop buying this junk food for 1 week and invest into something that's going to yield tons of money? Instead of spending $100 on pizza and coffee, spend $100 on a business, on an online business that's going to generate thousands of dollars, like I was able to do right here. You see that, guys? See that? You see this? You see this? And the best part about all this, guys, I want you to understand, this is a recurring commission, which means it's going to come every month on autopilot. All you got to do, you just come out online and you just describe the product after you learn about it, and basically do what I'm doing right now, show your clients or your audience the benefits of this program, and from there people will be opting in and starting the program. And every time somebody does that, you will generate monthly reoccurring commission, which is absolutely fascinating. Here's what we got over here. I'm gonna play this real quick, okay? I'm going to read this for you guys. 30 days of video coaching, that's worth $1,000. 30 days of live coaching with our implementation coaches, that's also $1,000. Get the new one-page digital workshop for each mission, that's worth roughly $250. 30 days access to OFA Facebook group, that's worth $100. Bonus private big breakthrough training in private group, that's worth $300. And also there's 3 bonuses included in here. 30 days ebook 2 Comma Club winners, that's worth $100. Unlimited access to 30 days interviews, that's worth $200. Behind the scene of the 2 Comma Club funnels, which is also worth $200. Grand total of $3,126, and you get to have all that for only $100, and everything is going to start on April 4th. You got 3 bonuses over here. 3 steps. Step number 1 is the strategy. I don't have my glasses on, so I'm going to use my speech to text, whatever you call that thing here, read out loud thing here. So listen, guys.
The strategy: each day you will receive a new mission from Russell, streamed to the private Facebook group. These private videos will be about 30 minutes long and will give you the strategy you have to master for each step you need for success. You will have the ability to network with and ask questions to our coaches as well as others OFAers who are also going through the challenge with you.
You guys get this book. Get this book. All these books are free. I'm going to put the links below. You got Traffic Secret, you got .com Secret. This one's going to show you how to get started, like if you don't, all that's going to be taught within the training, by the way, so they're going to explain all that. You get this book for free. You get the Traffic Secret book for free, which shows you how to drive audience to your offer. Anyway, so number 1 is the strategy, and it was explained to you right here. Step number 2 is the tactics. Let's listen to that. What do they mean by tactics?
The tactics: after the stream ends in the Facebook group, you will be given a one-pager mission document with the exact step-by-step tactics you need to implement to complete that step. There will be videos showing how to implement the strategy as well as a digital workbook to help keep everything clear. These missions will take between 30 to 60 minutes to complete each day.
Real simple, guys, only 30 minutes. 30 minutes a day. 30 minutes a day.
Implementation: not only do you get 30 days of daily video coaching and accountability, you also live training sessions daily Monday, Friday with our expert OFA consultants. On these special live trainings, you get to pick their brains and ask any question you have about your funnels, strategies, your offer, tech challenges, you name it. It's like having your very own dedicated support team.
Guys, I just want to let you know again, sorry I just ate a peanut, apologize. But I just want to let you know this is designed for all newbies, experts. It doesn't matter what level of education you have as far as online training to make money online and start your own online business. This is designed for newbies and experts. Let's listen to this real quick here. Bonus number 1. I'm just going to play just a quick paragraph here.
Recently, I asked 30 of my 2 Comma Club members, those who have generated over $1 million plus inside their Clickfunnels funnel, a very loaded question.
Hey Google, stop.
You suddenly lose everything. You lose all your money, along with your name and reputation, and only have your marketing know-how left. You have bills piled high, and people harassing you for money over the phone. Plus, you have a guaranteed roof over your head, a phone line, an internet connection, and a Clickfunnels account for only 1 month. You no longer have your big guru name, your following, or JV partners. Other than your vast marketing experience, you're an unknown newbie.
Basically what they were trying to say in this particular paragraph over here, if you start out with 0, all you have is your laptop and internet connection, how would you start an online business? And they will show you step by step. They leave no stone unturned. You're going to be trained by actual millionaires that followed this particular training, and they were able to accomplish these results here. And of course, these guys accomplished 10x or 20x or 50x of what you guys see here. I was able to generate thousands of dollars with this, This is all organic traffic. I never ran any paid campaigns. And look at me, I'm making a recurring commission. It's not that massive, but it's still all organic. It didn't cost me anything whatsoever. Look at it this way, guys. I want to emphasize on one single point. You see how my payment that's coming up here on the 1st? Today is March 30th. So basically in 2 days, I'm going to get $118. This training here cost me $100, only $100, guys. So basically with the commission that I'm making right now, I only paid $100, but I'm getting paid $118 every single month from this training. So I want you to understand how powerful this training is. It will teach you everything you need to do to become an online entrepreneur. If you follow the training verbatim and implement everything that's being taught in this training, you will definitely succeed and be able to quit your 9-to-5. And if you guys get stuck anywhere, by all means, contact me directly. Leave comments below. Let me know what country you're from, where you're watching from. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you get stuck on anything at all. Leave comments below, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys and get you over that hump to get you started making money within the 30 days. It's a real simple process. I really don't have a whole lot to say besides this is a great program, and if you want to learn more about it, go to the link below and click on it and get started today. And if you are part of my channel already, I want to thank you right now, and I want to say that I love you and I appreciate you. I appreciate all the support, and that's why I always trying to give value to you guys, because I care about you. If you're new to my channel, click that subscribe button, tick that bell icon, because I'm constantly publishing and creating content on how to make money online. Tick the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a video. What else? Share this video if you've gotten any value out of it. I'm gonna try to play a little here. Here's what to do next. I'm just finalizing the details. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go back up here just one more time. This is real simple, guys. Real simple. Just follow it step by step, and before you know it, you'll quit your 9-to-5 and start making money from home, working from the comfort of your own home with just a laptop and internet connection. Basically, generate a passive income recurring commission from the comfort of your home.
Each day of the One Funnel Away Challenge, you'll be given tasks that you'll need to complete in order to get your funnel built and live. The one-pager digital workbooks acts as your companion to the steaming trainings day 1 through day 30. Inside each one-pager, you'll find training that correspond with each day of the challenge. Each one-pager has a checklist of tasks or reminders that need to be completed that day, plenty of space for journaling and brainstorming your ideas, and answering key thought-provoking questions, the video training links that correspond with each day's mission, and any extra resource links you'll need to complete the day's tasks.
All right. I just realized again that my volume was turned down. I apologize. But anyway, go. I hate when that happens. But anyway, just click the link below. Get started today. Go through the 30-day training. You're gonna be part of a Facebook group. Very cool people. They'll help you out. You're gonna build a lot. You're gonna build an awesome network. You're gonna be connected with like-minded people that do what you do. They're all entrepreneurs. Some of them are beginners, newbies. Some of them been doing it for a while. So click the link below and get started today. And if you're new to my channel, I don't know if I already said that because my volume was turned down already. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I appreciate all the support. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment below. Tick the bell icon so you get notified every time I publish new content. Share this video if you liked it. And last but not least, I'll see you guys on the inside. I love you, and I will talk to you soon. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.